Air pollution. Air pollution is any negative change in the quantity or the quality of the air around us, okay? And one of the main constitutes of air pollution around us is fossil fuels, mainly the combustion of fossil fuels, alright? But let's list for you some other air pollutants around us, okay? Just so we can be aware of this, alright? The first one is going to be carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is actually produced sometimes by the incomplete combustion, okay, sometimes inside fossil fuels or mainly inside car engines at high temperature. Incomplete combustion, meaning combustion without the presence of oxygen, okay, produces carbon monoxide. Now, carbon monoxide is very dangerous, okay? Why? Because carbon monoxide can bind with the hemoglobin inside our red blood cells, preventing them from transporting oxygen, and this is very fatal because this can lead to death via oxygen starvation. All right, this is the first one. Next one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is mainly produced by complete combustion of fossil fuels, all right, because complete combustion produces carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, all right. Of course, it can lead to global warming and climate change, all right. Basically by somehow protecting or forming some sort of blanket around the earth, keeping thermal energy inside, alright? So carbon dioxide is produced by complete combustion. It is an air pollutant leading to global warming and greenhouse effect. So is carbon monoxide, by the way, alright? Alright, what about sulfur dioxide? Sulfur is a non-metal binding with oxygen. Non-metal with oxygen is acidic oxide. So sulfur dioxide, by generally, it is an acidic gas, alright? Sulfur dioxide is also produced by the combustion of fossil fuels, and it is very dangerous because it can combine with the oxygen in the environment and form sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide can then lead to acid rain. Acid rain can cause respiratory problems, okay? It can cause corrosive effects on the skin, and it can damage stone buildings, okay? One of the main effects of acid rain is it can damage stone buildings, alright? Alright, what about particulates? Particulates are basically particles that can cause respiratory problems, also produced by some sort of incomplete combustion inside car engines, alright? Great. And what about oxides of nitrogen? Oxides of nitrogen or nitrogen oxides is when nitrogen combines with oxygen at high temperatures inside the car engines, okay? The harmful effect of this, it can lead to acid rain, of course, and it can lead to photochemical smog. Photochemical, we're talking about light. Smog, we're referring to smoke and fog.